Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. We've got another quick and easy way for you to make money online from your home every minute of the day. Watch this video to find out more. Did you know that you could be earning every second of the day by using this website where people from all over the world make like $4 every 60 seconds by simply giving easy tests? No? Well, don't you worry, because I have every detail you need to earn easy money. You can earn $4 in a minute by answering a few simple questions, and guess what? There's no limit. You can literally give as many tests as you want, whenever you want, and from wherever you are. You could be lying in bed at the end of the day, sitting on the train on the way to work, chilling at the beach with your friends, or even on a roller coaster, which would be dangerous and not recommended, but you get what I mean, right? This is the easiest and quickest way to earn money. And another cool thing about this is that you can get PayPal money. That's great because PayPal money can be used to buy things everywhere, and now you can always have money in your PayPal account to use whenever you want at any time. I'm pretty sure that by now you're highly pumped up and waiting for me to tell you what this website is. But hold your horses. Okay, I won't make you wait much longer now. The website that we're going to talk about is called www.enrollapp.com. As you might have guessed, you can do this on the Enroll app as well, which can be downloaded on your phone or tablet. However, if you're using your desktop, you will have to go to your search engine and use the website. This website basically has companies asking people to take tests and answer simple questions which act as a survey for them, letting them know what you think about their company and their ideas. This helps them make sure that what they create is top-notch, and your suggestions can help make good ideas happen and stop bad ones in their tracks. This is perfect for those who are addicted to their phone or tablet, since they can utilize the time they spend on them in such a way that they can earn money and help change the web. You can even earn rewards by getting paid via PayPal without any hassle and collect badges that you can show off to your friends. When you scroll down to the bottom of their homepage, you can see that there are more than 600,000 tests that have been taken so far by people from all over the world. It's now time for you to do the same. Now, don't stop watching this video. You want to make sure that you stick around until the end of this video. Why? Because I'll be explaining the entire process to you step by step, and if you don't follow it, you might end up filling the registration form incorrectly, which could get you rejected. So watch this video and pay attention to everything I say, because it's all extremely crucial. Let's enroll. At the bottom of the website's homepage, you will see the Enroll Now button. Click on it. This will take you to the sign up page where they will ask you for two things: your email address and your password. Make sure that you put in a valid and correct email address. Then you will have to create a password and confirm it. After that, they will ask you to agree to their privacy policy and their terms and conditions. You can click on the two in case you want to read them and check them out before ticking the boxes. Now just click on Enroll Now. They will now send you a confirmation email which will include the link for you to go to for confirming your account. After this, simply log into your account and begin your enroll journey. They will now ask you a few more questions about yourself, like your first name and last name. Then you will have to go through the I am not a robot procedure and hit continue. You will now start seeing how cool and interesting this website is. They ask you very engaging questions in a way that makes the entire experience really fun. They will now ask you if you accept the challenge of helping them out. Click on I accept your challenge and your fun earning process has begun. They will then ask you for your PayPal account email address so that as soon as you finish a test, they can pay you. This way, you have money flowing into your account every minute. Now, select the language or the languages that you speak fluently, and the more languages that you can speak, the more money you will earn, because this way, they will give you more and more tests, tasks, and missions to complete. They will also ask you for your country name. Now, I can guarantee that your country will be on that list, because if you scroll through, you can see that there are so many countries on it, and it's available all over the world. Fill in your phone number and click on Continue. Next comes a crucial step that you want to make sure that you do correctly. They will ask you if you want them to always send you tests as soon as they're available. Make sure that you click on Yes, because this ensures that you get a lot of money, because when you're not available to take tests all the time, they will provide you with very few tests, which will in turn reduce the money that you get. So the more tests that you're available for, the more you will get to take and the more money you will earn in return. Then select your gender, your birth date, and your highest level of education. Here, you want to make sure that you select college graduates, even if you haven't passed out of college yet. The higher your education level, the more tests they will want to give you. We're almost towards the end of your process until you can start earning money every 60 seconds. Now, they will ask for some information about your job. Even if you don't have a job, you can fill this page. It really doesn't matter. Just select whatever you want. For something like yearly income, even if your yearly income is very less, or even $0, you want to make sure that you enter a high number. You can even put in a 6-figure number because the higher your yearly income, the more tests they will make you do and the more money you will get. I know this seems very unfair, but that's just how this works, and that is exactly why I'm making this video, so that you can make the most out of this opportunity and earn as much as possible. You will now have to enter some of your hobbies or interests. Again, the more you write, the more tests you will get because they're basically looking for people who are interested in a lot of things and thus have a greater knowledge about a variety of things. Next, they will ask you for your computer proficiency and how many hours per day you spend on the internet. Whatever you do, do not click on beginner and less than 1 hour. You will not get approved this way, and this opportunity will slip right out of your hands. They're looking for people who are experienced with the internet, and if you select advanced and more than 6 hours, it will be better for you. The last step is to select the devices you can test on. It's best to have more than one, and if you have 3, that's absolutely perfect. Click on Finish Registration to complete the entire process. Now, I can guarantee that the next page you will see will be the one saying that you're approved. This is only possible if you paid close attention to this video and have followed everything that I have said. Now, you can go to your dashboard and start taking simple tests that literally take 2 minutes and can get you up to $10 per test. No matter how short and easy the test is, you will surely get $4 paid into your PayPal account. Super cool, isn't it? Have fun! That's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.